In this guide, you'll learn how to use Google Reverse Image Search. Let's get started. First up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app, Google. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of its update process, launch it. At the top of the screen, you will see the Google search bar. On the right side of the search bar is Google Lens icon. Tap on it to begin using Google's reverse image search feature. The first time you use Google Lens, you will be asked to grant camera and photo access permissions. Follow the prompts and allow the necessary permissions so the app can access your camera and image library. Google Lens will open your camera by default, allowing you to search using a live image. However, if you want to search using an image that's already saved on a device, tap the photo gallery icon, usually located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open your photo library where you can browse your screenshot, saved image and photos. Select the image you would like to search. Google Lens will immediately analyze the image and display relevant results. At the top of the results page, you'll often see an AI-generated overview explaining what the image is, identifying logos, landmarks, products, or other objects it recognizes. You'll also find several useful tabs that help you explore the image further. The Exact Matches section can show web pages or profiles that use the same image. The Visual Matches section displays similar logos, image from across the web. If the image contains a product, the Products tab may help you find similar items available for online purchase. Google Reverse Image Search can be used in many ways. You can identify logos, find the source of an image, learn more about landmarks, discover products you want to buy, verify images you find online, or locate similar content across the internet. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.